We get simple dinner, guys. So welcome to my channel, Kbea's vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. So how are you, everyone? So tonight I'm going to make a garlic broccolini and a salmon. I cook first the broccolini. Inuna ko muna yung ulo ay yung garlic, then saute the garlic and season with salt and pepper only, guys. So make sure unahin mo muna yung pagluto yung yung steam ng broccolini. Then sinati ko na yung garlic. So ayan, guys, tingnan nyo, wag nyo i-overcook yung broccolini kasi hindi masarap pag sobrang luto. Ayan, just season with salt and pepper. That's all. No MSG. So simple dinner but delicious and tasty and of course healthy. Ayan, broccolini is good because green siya. Mga lahat ng mga green na vegetable is maganda. And then so I'm using rock salt. I love rock salt than iodized because I can estimate how salty or not. So yeah, yan, sinunod ko na yung yung medyo yung sa dulo ng broccolini, yan. So please keep watching and you can enjoy and we have a good dinner. Yan, another salt and pepper in my kitchen lang. Very simple dinner. It's quick too, not a complex cooking, so it's very easy. So I don't overcook the broccolini because it's nice to a bit crunchy, it's a bit crunchy, the broccolini. Yeah, next is I have salmon, so cook in the butter. I'm using a lower cholesterol butters, but the salmon I already seasoned it para ma-absorb yung salt and pepper. So yan, so make sure, ayan, may may paste ako ng mashed veggies, so nililisting ko yung kapitulad sa blender. Ayan, yan na yung dinner. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share Kbea's vlog. Have a good night. Love.